Welcome again to Unleashing Your Potential. We are talking about choosing yourself without guilt. Sometimes it doesn't always feel easy. People may misunderstand you. You may feel selfish or even guilty. Choosing yourself, it's about alignment, aligning your energy with your values, aligning your time with your priorities, aligning your heart with your purpose. It might be saying no to extra work. It might be taking time for yourself to just have some moment of reflection. It might be walking away from what doesn't serve you anymore. Every choice that honors you strengthens your self-trust, strengthens who you are, strengthens who you're becoming. One thing I know, our choices, they can either make us or break us. Every time you choose yourself, it doesn't just benefit you, but everyone around you does. You model boundaries, you model self-respect, you model courage. So let me know in the comments, how do you choose yourself against all odds? Don't forget to share, to comment, and to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.